Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. There's a cop. There's a cop right there. You better not come up on me, dude. Get back. Get back. Get back! Get back! They're playing hide and go seek to take your tax dollars when they already get paid from tax dollars! First Amendment protected activity is not a crime!
Prior to the absolute miscarriage of justice perpetrated upon Mr. Eric Brandt.
Think about how you would feel if somebody with real power, not fake, cowardly power, real power, like I have, said something like that to you. Here's what I should do. I should give Mr. Brandt probation on the condition that he and Judge Rudolph go 3 rounds in the ring, and I let Judge Rudolph pound you into the canvas. That's what I would like to do.
I was able to hang out with him, Otto the Watchdog, and Pikes Peak Auditor, who now goes by the moniker Pikes Peak Accountability. Pikes has been featured on this channel before, as the Colorado Springs Police Department's untrained and freedom-hating officers have arrested him, cited him, and harassed him in his dwelling on numerous occasions for what appears to be retaliation for Pikes' redress of grievances. For those that don't know, the right to peaceful assembly and petitioning your government is supposed to be protected under the First Amendment. Our founding fathers thought that these, along with freedom of press, speech, and religion, were so important that they wrote it down first. Law enforcement officers seem to oppose the general sentiments of the men who drafted the Bill of Rights, or at least they are willing to enforce laws that obviously violate the most basic of constitutionally protected rights, if the actions of another hurts their feelings. Pikes has already successfully sued the department for their retaliation against him for waving a finger. Now, his second lawsuit has just finished up. It began on January 30th of 2019, where Pikes was live streaming in the downtown Colorado Springs area when he noticed a speed trap.
Oh, look what we got here. We got a... Oh, perfect. Yep. Hi. I like your little radar gun. Let's go up here to this light. Let's go up here to this light and tell everyone that there's a cop trying to arrest or give tickets here on Nevada today.
He attempted to warn other drivers that the officers were playing hide and seek, which the officers would later frame as yelling at traffic to help cite him.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. There's a cop. There's a cop right there.
Well, I saw him over on Nevada filming traffic and yelling at him.
He then observed 2 uniformed motorcycle cops initiate a traffic stop.
That's gonna be motorcycle 24. Riding that person's butt. Oh, they pulled him over. Running. We're running.
Pikes approached to express his displeasure with the incident.
You feel good about that? Harassing and taxing? These are innocent civilians. Doing your good deed for the day? Huh? Doing your good deed for the day? Piece of yeah, you can help me. Get back to doing your job. No, I'm gonna stand right here. I'm gonna stand right the f here. How about that? How about you keep doing your job? How about you do that? What's your name and badge number? Forges? F-O-R-G-E-S? Oh, Forbes, like the magazine. M. Forbes, huh? Huh, okay. M. Forbes, huh?
You want to talk to me when I'm done with this?
I don't want to talk to you about dude. Yeah, I want to see you do your bullshit tactics, hiding and playing hide and seek so that you can write someone a ticket for going, what, 3 miles over the speed limit? Yeah, none of my business. I'll bet it isn't. I'll bet these people appreciate someone being here with a camera, unlike you without a camera on your chest. Oh, where's it? Oh, hiding, huh?
Officer Forbes opens his jacket to show that his uniform has a built-in camera located between the buttons. If you've never been to Colorado Springs, I will testify that it is cold and often requires heavy jackets to withstand the temperatures, especially while riding a motorcycle in January. This renders the body-worn cameras worthless. I exposed this as an issue in the same year when I discovered that CSPD body cams are covered up whenever officers don their heavy vests times to conduct raids, perhaps one of the most valuable times to capture video footage. So here you can see a couple of the officers on scene donning their heavy vests. Now what happens when they put these heavy vests on is it blocks the built-in uniform camera. The heavy vest has no camera of its own. So as these officers are gearing up to go into a potentially hostile situation, it blocks all video evidence of what they're doing. We do have the audio. However, what's the point of a video camera if you can't see the video? Officer Forbes now approaches Pikes.
Hiding, there you go. What are you gonna do? Try to intimidate me? You better not come up on me, dude. Do not come up on me. I'm not doing nothing to you. You need to stay back from me. I fear for my life. I fear for my life.
Good.
Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Exactly.
Get back.
So just keep
Get back.
You got a problem, you can call the GOC.
Yeah, your internal affairs doesn't do anything when you complain to them about you tyrant pieces of.
Well, how about you try it again?
How about you do your job right, and then we won't have to file complaints that just get swept under the rug because your boys in blue don't give a about us citizens who pay taxes. They give a about the blue line.
Would you like to be arrested for disorderly conduct?
I'm not. I can speak. This is free speech.
You do not have the right.
This is free speech. I'm far enough away from you. This is free speech. The First Amendment. So they called a third officer out here. There's gonna be a third officer over here. It's gonna be CSPD. This is gonna be Bijou and Nevada this is gonna be on Bijou between Nevada and Tejon. And we've got car number 2518 rolling up right now. Yeah, not for free speech. If they don't want a lawsuit, they don't want to fucking do that. Not for free speech. Yep, First Amendment. That's right. Fuck the police.
Hey, sir.
Hey.
So you are entitled to your First Amendment rights.
Yep.
However, in public, though.
This is public place, and I can say what the fuck I want.
So cursing, though, is profanity. It's
Nope.
a violation
Nope.
of our disorderly.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
It's course for offense.
No, it's not. Break it out. Show me the statute.
I don't have a statute.
Okay. Then you better not put cuffs on me.
I'm not planning to put cuffs on you. I just really like you.
Fuck the police. No justice, no peace. Fuck Colorado Springs police. Because they're hiding. They're playing hide and go seek to take your tax dollars when they already get paid from tax dollars. That's right. No justice, no peace. Fuck Colorado Springs tax and police. I don't give a fuck what you're saying because this is free speech. I don't give a what you're saying because this is free speech. The First Amendment of the Constitution. Do you understand what I'm speaking to about? They're saying disorderly and interference now. They're trying to say disorderly and interference now. They're trying to say they're trying to turn a lawful activity into an unlawful activity, which is something you cannot do. First Amendment protected activity is not a crime. It's not a crime.
Sir, you want to see the statute? Can I please show it to you?
Let's show it to me because if it's, I'm going to tell you right now. Go ahead, show it to me.
A person commits disorderly conduct, he or she intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly makes a coarse or obvious offensive utterance, gesture, or display in a public place.
What's a coarse or what is that?
An utterance, gesture, or display tends to incite an immediate breach of the peace.
Defendant Giannini reads and shows Pikes the statute for disorderly conduct, specifically the portion of Colorado Revised Statute 18-9-106, anyone who makes a coarse and obviously offensive utterance, gesture, or display in a public place, and the utterance, gesture, or display tends to incite an immediate breach of the peace. The only problem is, the Supreme Court has ruled that the word fuck is protected speech.
Where's the immediate breach of this peace?
You're interfering.
I'm not interfering.
You are.
No, I'm not. I've been back away from that dude.
I'm here to argue.
I'm not. Yes, you are. You're sitting here trying to argue with me. Yes, you are. You're ready to throw cuffs on me. You put your gloves on like you were going to go to war, dude. What is your name and badge number? I'll speak to you in a second.
Officer Tomich.
Tomich, 1513. Yours?
Officer Giannini, number 4303. You asked me to show you the statute in which I thought you were in violation of. I have showed that to you, and you are in violation.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's not. You cannot turn a lawful activity into something illegal.
Yelling
coarse. The coarse language? Okay, explain to me what coarse language is in the dictionary then.
Okay, sir, we're gonna ask you to stand over there. If you don't, you're interfering.
I'm not standing. I'm standing on the sidewalk right here, which is far enough away from both of those traffic stops to be lawfully recording in public and recording police in the course of their duties.
Sir?
So back up and go to work.
I'm more than happy to have you stand here and yell. However, yelling the word like that is coarse or offensive language. If you want to use,
do you want to lose in? Do you want to lose in court? Do you really want to take that to court and lose in court?
I'm saying.
I'm asking you a question. Do you want?
Let me finish what I was saying. I'm more than happy to let you stand out here and express yourself and say that you have a displeasure of the police. However, there are guidances along that. You're more than welcome to stand here and vocalize that, but yelling the police and stuff like that out here.
It's been won in Supreme Court. Fuck the police. And it's been won in Supreme Court. So, do you want to go to court and lose? Do you want to go to court and lose? Because that will not hold up in federal court. Thank you. Supreme Court will slap that in your face. Thank you. I don't give a f. Your state ordinance does not trump the federal laws. Okay? I have an ID wherever I want. No, you cannot. Am I being detained? Are you being detained? Hey!
Pikes was arrested for disorderly conduct. They also tried to get him on interfering because they believed that a person's speech could be physically interfering with the traffic stop. On the eve of his court appearance, prosecutors dismissed the case as they had no probable cause to believe a crime was committed. Soon after, Pikes filed a lawsuit against the city of Colorado Springs and all officers on scene in their individual and official capacities for First Amendment violations of free speech, retaliation, Fourth Amendment violations of unreasonable search and seizure, and malicious prosecution. Almost a year and a half went by, and finally, summary judgment was partially granted and denied. But instead of taking the case to trial, the city offered to settle the case for $30,000, and the officers were granted qualified immunity in the case. This is now nearly $70,000 that the taxpayers of Colorado Springs have had to pay for officers ignoring the constitutional protections all members of the public, including Pike, should have. Pike's third lawsuit is currently being drafted and will be filed soon for a completely different incident. I will break it down as it moves forward, but to get news of it first, be sure to head over to Pikes Peak Accountability. All original videos will be linked in the description down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.